Hi, I'm Lindy from Australia's Best Recipes.
Let's make this delicious chocolate and gingerbread pound cake. Mix 2/3 of a cup of cocoa with half a cup of boiling water until smooth. Set aside to cool. Cream 250 grams of butter, half a cup of brown sugar and half a cup of caster sugar until pale and thick. Add 4 eggs and beat well. Sift in 1 cup of self-raising flour and 1 tablespoon of ginger. Add the cooled cocoa mixture and beat until just combined. This simple chocolate and gingerbread pound cake is perfect for Christmas because it's an alternative to the traditional fruitcake. Pour the mixture into a prepared tin and bake for 50 minutes until a skewer inserted into the centre comes out clean. Sift 2 cups of icing sugar and 2 teaspoons of ground ginger into a bowl. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk to make a spreadable consistency. Pour this mix over the cooled cake.
For more from our community of home cooks, visit bestrecipes.com.au.